Welcome back to Let's Learn Mathematics. It is time for us to be at the back of our computers, our mobile phone, our smartphones to study mathematics. Today our topic is angles, and we are going to learn one subtopic of angles named types of angles. Types of angles. These are our objectives. By the end of the lesson, my students will be able to explain or define angle. When we say angle, what does it mean? The second objective is that by the end of this lesson, my student should be able to give the types of angles and their relationship with one another. The relationship between the types of angles, explain each type of angle, and give examples of that particular angle. These are our objectives. Sit back and let's learn. In the first place, what is the meaning of angle? When we say an angle, what does it mean? It's simple. When two or more lines intersect, when two or more lines meet, an angle is formed. So in a nutshell, you can say an angle is the area created as a result of the intersection of two or more lines. An angle is formed when two or more lines meet. We have types of angles. What are they? The first one we are going to talk about is the acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is any angle which is less than 90 degrees. Any angle which is less than 90 degrees is an acute angle, meaning from 0 to 89.9 gives you an acute angle. Now, to represent an acute angle, you can draw an acute angle like this, and this signifies that this angle is less than 90 degrees. Why? Because angle theta is greater than 0 degrees, but theta is less than 90 degrees. Therefore, an acute angle is any angle which is less than 90 degrees. Now, assuming you are given an angle with the value 55 degrees, this forms part of the examples of an acute angle. So examples of acute angles, we have 55, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 15 degrees, 10 degrees, and so on and so forth. These are examples of acute angle. The second angle we are going to talk about, the second type of angle we are going to talk about is the right angle. Right angle. Right angle. As the name suggests, right angle is any angle which is equal to 90 degrees. Any perpendicular angle is a right angle. When two perpendicular lines meet, they form a right angle. And therefore, whenever you are drawing a right angle, you should indicate with the symbol of a right angle at the corner of the diagram, and this shows that this angle is equal to 90 degrees. In this case, whenever you see this symbol, it represents what? The 90 degrees angle. So we are saying that right angle is any angle which is equal to 90 degrees. The third angle we are going to talk about this evening is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is any angle which is greater than 90 degrees but not up to 180 degrees. Any angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees belongs to the obtuse group, and that angle is an obtuse angle. Again, I said obtuse angle is any angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And to draw an obtuse angle, you indicate, for example, this angle called theta. So what is the value of theta? The value of theta is that it is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So any angle which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is an acute angle. Examples. I believe you can give so many examples. From 91 degrees, 92 degrees, up to 179 degrees. They all form part of an acute angle. The next type of angle is the straight angle. The straight angle. The straight angle is any angle found along a straight line. Any angle found along a straight line is a straight angle, and this is the drawing for a straight angle. And what is theta? Theta should be equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. The next type of angle we are going to talk about is the reflex angle. Reflex angle. The next type of angle we are going to talk about is the reflex angle. Reflex angle. And reflex angle is any angle which is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Any angle which is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Assuming we have represented theta, we have represented the angle. Assuming we have represented the angle with theta, then what will be the value of angle theta? Angle theta is going to be angle theta is going to be greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. Angle theta is going to be greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. And so any angle found within this perimeter is a reflex angle. Any angle found within this perimeter is a reflex angle. So we can mention examples of reflex angles as 181 degrees, 182 degrees, 183 degrees, up to 359 degrees. So from 181 degrees to 359 degrees, all those angles within this perimeter is or are reflex angles. So all the angles found within this perimeter are reflex angles. The last type of angle we are going to talk about for today is the angle at a point. You can also call it angle of a circle. A full circle has an angle. And what is the value of the angle of a full circle? It is also called angle at a point. And angle at a point should also be equal to 360 degrees. Angle at a point is also equal to 360 degrees. Now, we started by defining an angle. And I said, whenever two or more lines meet, whenever two or more lines intersect, they create what we call an angle. So an angle can be defined as the area created as a result of the intersection of two or more lines. We also looked at the types of angles we have. And the first we looked at is the acute angle. And we said an acute angle is any angle which is less than 90 degrees. So any angle from 1 up to 90 is an acute angle. We moved on to right angle. And I said right angle is any angle which is equal to 90 degrees. So any angle which is equal to 90 degrees gives us a right angle. So when two perpendicular lines meet, they form what we call a right angle. The third angle we looked at is the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle. And I said an obtuse angle is any angle which is greater than 90 degrees. It is greater than 90 degrees, but not up to 180 degrees. This means that an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. So from 91 degrees to 179 degrees, within that perimeter, all those angles are obtuse angles. And then we moved on to a straight angle. A straight angle is angle along a straight line. If every straight line has an angle, and that angle is equal to 180 degrees. So a straight angle is any angle found on a straight line. which is equal to 180 degrees. The next angle we treated is the reflex angle. The reflex angle is any angle which is greater than a straight angle but less than 360 degrees. It is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So any angle from 181 degrees up to 359 degrees is found within the premises of a reflex angle, and therefore that particular angle becomes a reflex angle. The last angle is the angle at a point, or angle of a full circle. A full circle has an angle, and I said that a full circle has an angle which is equal to 360 degrees, meaning an angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. These are the types of angles that we have. Sometimes it is very difficult for students to remember this when calculations come under angles. I urge you to learn them very well, because we are going to use them for our next topic to calculate certain types of angles, be it a supplementary angle or a complementary angle, so that you will not find it difficult when we get there. Have a nice day, and I still advise that you stay indoors and stick to your books. Parents are advised to supervise, to monitor their children so that they will not go out and contract the COVID-19 disease. I'm still your tutor, Samuel Appiah. Until then, we shall meet, God willing, next week. Bye-bye.